Now let's finalize our prototype with a nice new recently added feature to Figma, which is called Auto Animate. This animation feature allows transition between the properties of two shapes, and these shapes have to be they have to have the same name. So let's have a look at how we're going to organize that. So first thing we have to do is we have to make sure that our component and the animation type will be set to Smart Animate. Let's just set it to 500 for now in order to see it properly. And now if we would click on our item here, you will see that it fades into this new item. There is, however, one problem here, and that is you'll see that the animation is now coming from the middle. And that is sort of annoying. So the way to fix that is to make sure that the layer name that you click upon is going to be exactly mimicked within our final component or final artboard. So in order to arrange that, let's just rename this one to list item animate, and let's do the same for the top one here, list item animate. Now if we would click this one, you'll see that it morphs from the top, and if we would select this one, it's also going to move from the top because that is the one that it's going to find. So that is in short how you use this Smart Animate. It really makes your prototype look very cool. And if we would tone down on the animation speed a bit, so let's say we make it 100, it looks very fluid and very cool. So now we've made our app. We have an app with a splash screen that fades into an overview. That overview is very nicely scrollable, and it allows us to select a single item and look at the details of that page. We can also scroll through the detail page, and we can go back to the previous page by clicking here and just looking at a different recipe if we want. And that concludes these tutorials. I hope you had a great time, and if you have any more questions or feedback, feel free to send me a message or leave something in the comments. I hope to see you around sometime.